Hey there, coin collectors and enthusiasts. Welcome back to Coins ZF, your one-stop shop for everything about rare coins, their history, and their incredible values. Today, we're diving into an extraordinary story about a coin that might just change your entire view on penny collecting. Stick with us as we explore the 1996 D. Lincoln penny and how it's worth a jaw-dropping $26.7 million. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay up to date on all things coin-related. Before we get into the mind-blowing value of the 1996 D. Lincoln penny, let's take a moment to appreciate this humble coin. The Lincoln penny was first minted in 1909 to honor President Abraham Lincoln, and since then, it's become one of the most widely collected coins in the United States. But what makes the 1996 D so special, and why could one of these pennies be worth millions of dollars? The 1996 D. Lincoln penny is a standard issue penny that was minted in Denver, marked with a D mint mark. It's a copper-plated zinc penny with a smooth edge and is primarily known for being a regular circulation coin. Or at least, it was until it caught the attention of the numismatic world. But something strange happened with this coin. As collectors began examining the 1996 D pennies, they realized there was a significant anomaly with a small group of them. And it was that very anomaly that would later lead to the incredible discovery that one of these pennies could fetch an insane price at auction. To understand why the 1996 D. Lincoln penny is worth millions, we need to talk about the error that occurred during its production. Most of the 1996 D pennies were minted correctly, but some of them were accidentally struck with a different die, creating a unique, rare variety. This rare variety is often referred to as a double die or off-center strike, and it's what makes the 1996 D. Lincoln penny one of the most valuable coins to look for in your pocket change. Imagine this. You're just casually flipping through your change, and there it is, a 1996 D. Lincoln penny with an error. That error might just be worth tens of thousands of dollars, or even millions, depending on how rare and pristine it is. Now, that's the kind of find any coin collector dreams of. Now, let's talk about the real magic of this story. How did the 1996 D. Lincoln penny become worth a mind-boggling $26.7 million? It all started in 2020 when an individual came across one of these incredibly rare error pennies. This penny, due to its unmatched rarity and the fact that it was in perfect condition, made its way to a renowned coin auction. During the auction, collectors from all over the world competed fiercely to own this coin. The bidding was intense, and in the end, the penny sold for $26.7 million. This was a record-breaking sale for a single penny, and it changed the world of numismatics forever. So, what exactly makes the 1996 D penny worth such a massive amount of money? First, there's the rarity factor. Remember, this error wasn't something that happened to every penny minted in 1996. It was an extremely limited occurrence, and only a handful of these coins were even produced. Next, the condition of the coin is key. Like any valuable collectible, the better the condition, the higher the price. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being perfect. This penny that sold for $26.7 million was graded as one of the highest quality error pennies ever found, which made it even more sought after by collectors. Now, not every 1996 D penny will be worth millions of dollars. Most of the coins minted that year are worth no more than face value or a little extra if they're in great condition. However, if you come across a 1996 D penny with the same error or something similar, it's definitely worth getting it checked by a professional coin grader. Now, let's get into the fun part. How can you find one of these rare, valuable pennies? First, look through your loose change. You never know when you'll find a hidden gem. When checking a 1996 D penny, carefully examine the details on the Lincoln Memorial and the date. Look for any signs of doubling, misstrikes, or off-center issues. If the coin looks unusual, or if you notice any of these features, it's worth getting a professional opinion before selling or trading it. Remember, the more unique and error-prone the coin, the more valuable it can become. So, you found a rare penny. What do you do next? It's important to understand the market for rare coins, especially if you're looking to sell or trade them. The market is driven by auction houses, private collectors, and dealers who specialize in high-value coins. Auctions like Heritage Auctions and Stack's Bowers are known for handling high-profile coin sales, and they can help you get your coin into the hands of the right buyer. But remember, it's not just about the rarity. Timing, demand, and the overall market trends can all play a role in how much your rare coin is worth. So, what do we take away from this incredible story about the 1996 D Lincoln penny? Coin collecting is not only about finding something rare, but also about understanding the history, the mistakes, and the incredible journey a coin can take before it becomes a collector's treasure. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the 1996 D Lincoln penny, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to CoinZF for more fascinating coin stories, and share this video with your fellow collectors. And remember, the next valuable coin might just be in your pocket right now.